Welcome class 6. Today we will start with a new chapter, chapter number 6, negative numbers and integers. So first of all, we will learn about the number systems. Firstly, the natural numbers. We all know what natural numbers are. Natural numbers are those numbers which we use for counting, or simply the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it goes up till infinity. These numbers are the natural numbers. Next we have the whole numbers, and the whole numbers are the numbers or the number system in which we have the numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it goes up till infinity. So basically in these two numbers, one is the smallest natural number and infinity means it goes up till infinity, which will be the biggest natural number. Okay, that means it goes on and on. Similarly, whole numbers have 0 as the smallest or the first number and it goes up till infinity. Similarly, we have integers, and integers will also have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it goes up till infinity. And also if we cross 0 and move towards the left side of the number system, then we'll have the series of numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and it goes up till infinity. And this side it will be the negative or minus infinity. Now see how the natural numbers are represented on the number line. So here's the number line where the natural numbers are represented. Okay, so natural numbers, since it starts from 1, so the first number will be 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it goes up till infinity. So the arrowhead represents that this number line continues and moves until it reaches infinity. Okay, so this number line will not end, so it continues and moves on to infinity. Similarly, we have whole numbers which starts with 0 as the first number or the smallest number, and slowly, like the natural numbers, it moves on to infinity, and here the arrowhead again represents the continuity of the number line. And in case of integers, we have the number line which moves on to both the sides towards the positive infinity, having 0 in the middle, and it moves on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it moves on up till infinity. And similarly, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, all the negative numbers, or we can say the negative integers, which moves on towards the negative infinity. So always we can see or understand from the number line that any number which lies towards the right side or the right hand side, those numbers towards the right hand side are bigger than those which are at the left hand side. So here in comparison between -1 and 0, we can say since 0 is towards the right of -1, so 0 is greater than -1. Or we can say 1 is greater than 0. Or we can say 2 is greater than -2. Okay, all these numbers which are towards the right hand side becomes greater than those numbers towards the left hand side. And also we can say that the numbers lying towards the left hand side of the number system are smaller than the numbers lying towards the right hand side of the number system. So -3 is smaller than -2, or simply we can say -2 is greater than -3, since -2 lies towards the right and -3 lies towards the left. So -3 is greater and -2 is, sorry, -3 is less and -2 is greater than each other. All right. And every positive number towards the right hand side is greater than 0. and every negative numbers or every negative integers are less than 0, and every positive integers are greater than every negative integers. We can see that all the positive numbers are towards the right hand side of the negative integers. So all the numbers lying towards the right are positive, and thus we can say the positive numbers are greater than the negative numbers, and every negative integer is smaller than every positive integer. And we can also say that as the number increases towards the negative integers, as the numbers are greater with negative signs, more smaller the value of those integers will be. And in the other case, in case of positive numbers, more the value of the given number, more will be its place, or greater will be those numbers. So these are the properties of integers.